Hello. Few days back, a client sent me an email that when a visitor is visiting his website from Google, like searching a keyword and then clicking on the search results, and when a user is clicking on the search result and going to Google, his website, and then browsing his website, and then, for example, clicking a link on his website, and then the visitor is automatically redirecting to a malware website or a website which he doesn't belong. A totally new website. The browser is taking the new visitor. So this is a bug and malware that was injected by a hacker in his site. So this is a big problem. So he wants to remove the malware. So it started like this. And after the buyer contacted me that he wants to solve this problem. So I need to analyze it. I need to analyze it first and then find a solution. Analyzing is 80 to 90% of the time that it takes, and the solution is 10 to 15% of the time. So when I started analyzing the website, I clicked on the Google link and went to his website and clicked on his internal link. So the browser was taking me to a redirecting me to a website URL where I can see this writing SHIGAXAPO, and I couldn't find anything that why it is redirecting. But the problem is for the first time visitor, like first time visitor coming to the browser and clicking and getting redirected to this site. But if you come from any different source or directly in the site and click on an internal link, it doesn't redirect. So clearly there is a programmatically this is a malware, and you cannot redirect something with CSS. You have to do it with JavaScript and PHP. That's what I learned from my experience. So I hopped in and started my analysis. And as I don't have any clue that what can be the reason, so I inspect element with this word, and then went step by step. But also I couldn't find this word in the inspect element. I was using Chrome browser. Then again I downloaded the website, and with Notepad++, I searched this word, because this is not something we see in any website or in WordPress, as this was a WordPress website. So after searching, I found out that this is the file that the web search showed me. So as you can see, this is a completely malware file, and it doesn't belong to any plugin or any WordPress core WordPress files, because I haven't seen such things. Monetization code plugin. This is clearly a plugin, and this is a malware plugin, and the author of the plugin maybe tried to hack the website and put his advertisement code inside the client's website. So when somebody clicks on the link, it will redirect him to his ad website. So I found this file and went through this file. This was a plugin. It was hidden inside the WordPress, and it was not showing because we couldn't see this plugin. It was hidden, and as I went through the code, I can see it was very well coded. And and if you come from search engine to the website, it activates the plugin, and it works like that. So I know what to do. I deleted this file, and also when I went through this file, I can see the ad sites and ad codes hidden feature. And this plugin was not working for admin. This plugin only was working if you are a visitor from a search engine. Anyways, when I was going through the file, I found another file related to this, that was admin ips.txt. For admin, this plugin was not working because it is taking admin's IP address, and when IP address matched, it didn't activate the plugin to go to the advertisement website. So these are the two files. I deleted these files and rechecked the site from different browser, different devices, and found that the malware is gone. So if you like this video, please like and share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.